What is going on, guys? Jezzi here, back with another video. I'm gonna try to get a little more consistent. I'm gonna try, but I've just been extremely busy. And I'm being completely honest, the only time I can record videos is at this hour, and most of the time I want to get sleep for the next day. So I'm just gonna try to be more consistent. Anyway, trade analysis. This was my t- Friday 21st trade. So this was last Friday. I apologize for not making it on Friday, but I got a little busy this weekend. I just got back home from Tampa. Anyway, that doesn't matter. Trade analysis for the day. I did take this trade live. You can go watch. I posted it on TikTok, Instagram, and I think I posted it as a short. I'm not too sure. I did. Here, watch. We'll watch it together. Alright, if you guys don't know what I look like, that's kind of what I look like. I look a little busted in that. Don't hate on me. Anyway, yeah, so called this out before it even happened, as you could see in the video. I screen recorded it. That's what I do. I'll have my template and then I'll screen record it, and then or I'll just take a video from it on my computer. I posted either or, just to show you it's not replay mode. It's legit stock chart and I know where it's going. Anyway, so why did I take this trade? Okay, so if you see here, yesterday, or well, not yesterday, the day before, boom, caught right here, boom, caught right here. And it's not like it was slowing down on the way here. As you can see here, 480 is a key level or a psych level, because every time price comes to it, it does not want to break it. The only reason that it broke it this early morning was because there was way more sellers, and there was just a way higher sell volume in the morning, and they kind of beat there wasn't enough buyers in the market to actually stop it right at that level. But once the buyers and seller volume kind of evened out, you can see it it respected this level so much. And I kind of just use that as a confluence, because you can see right after it broke it, got caught right back up here, big inside green, came right back up using this support as a resistance, and was not able to break it. And as you can see, pushed to a higher resistance. So I knew that I was just going to respect this level again. And oh, whoops. As you can see, when it did try and test this level again, touched it, boom, right back up immediately. Buyers got that volume to just step right back in. But then it did hit this previous resistance, which did act as a support. So this is a very price action. This day you would have had so many good trades if you literally just understand support and resistance and price action. I'm telling you, if you master those two concepts, you you will be able to trade. But you have to master them. You have to you can't just understand them. You got to really master them. So all right, so yeah, I noticed that big inside red. The only way that I would have went puts here is if it immediately broke this level here, but as you can see, it did not. It actually came right back down and rejected pretty hard, rejected pretty high up. So my next idea in mind was, is this going to be an engulfing inside? Well, all right, I'm using big fancy words, but is this candle gonna close the size or more than this wick up? And it did. And I've been trading long enough to know that that's just a very bullish pattern. So I did enter calls I did close out here, as you can see in the video. When I like switched to my face and I like threw the thumbs up, I went and closed my contracts because I did not expect price to break above here. And as you can see, the next candle, it came right back down, but then this candle came right back up and then literally came right back down. So that was the trade I took. I didn't really like go too heavy on the contracts. I think only did like 5 contracts. They were 482 calls and I bought them at 37 cents. I sold them at 55 cents. So I'm trying to do the math on it. Like a 65% trade, I think. Hold on. Oof. I cannot do math. 50%, honestly, I wasn't even home or on my computer. 50% is like, I'm not even trying to be like that, but that's like normal. Like that's like a mediocre trade for me, and most people on the internet are not doing that live. So honestly, I'll take it. I've posted 100% lot trades before, 300% trades before. Like 50% is mediocre. And I'm telling you, I don't use any strategies. I just understand support and resistance and price action like extremely well. And if you can understand, it was not like that. It was like that kind of. All right, yeah. If you can understand those two concepts, also volume. I understand volume really well. If you can understand those 30 concepts extremely well and master them, and like key levels, like you just like if you all right, if you are able to master the basic concepts, that is all you need. Why did price get caught here? Look where it opened pre-market. Key level, boom, key level, boom. 480, boom. 480, 480, 480, 480. Like I bet in the I here look. I'm going to bet you tomorrow this I marked this. I was doing like my markings, and all of these like yellow lines you see are just like my like favorite areas of support and resistance or key levels, important levels. Those are like my favorite levels for the charts. And as you can see, price literally bounces off each one of them, and I don't put them after price does it. I put them the day before. Like you'll see new lines tomorrow in new locations. I do it every day after the market closes because I don't know, that's just how I trade and it works for me. Yeah, so I'm going to send these important levels out to my trading group if you are interested in that. I don't really like promote it because I feel like promoting a course is like scammy nowadays, but I try to be as honest as I can. Well, I am as honest as I can. I post live trades. I post real fills for my Thinkorswim and like a whole bunch of other stuff, which like you can't fake that stuff. Like you cannot fake your fills from Thinkorswim. Most people do not post the percents of the trades that they take. Anyway, it's just a lot to look out for nowadays in trading. It's really hard to find legit people. But yeah, it's called One of One Traders. You can find it on Instagram, TikTok, and we. If you go to our Instagram page, One of One Traders, you'll find the link to our WAP. It has access to our free. You can join the waitlist because we are not actively like letting new people join because we want to make sure each person who joined on our first like official opening is getting the attention that they need, because we're not doing it for the money. We're doing it because we actually want to like we want to actually teach people how to trade. If we wanted to be selfish, we would have left it open for people to join it, but that's not how we're going to do it. We're going to do it correctly and build a legit name for ourselves in this industry. So I don't know. It's obviously gonna take a lot longer than the scammy route, but honesty is the best way to do business, and it will last the longest. All right, that was my trade analysis plus like a little yap session. So if you're interested, one of one traders, go check it out. That is my trading group, along with my other trading buddies, like real traders. Yeah. Oh yeah. P.S. I put these arrows before any of this happened. Just wanted to throw that out there. And you can go check the Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube short that I posted if you are interested. So, yeah, that concludes the video. Have a wonderful night.